Hey man, I feel like Nike definitely played us today on the Nike SNKRS app, bro. Only 14,000 pairs loaded on the app. That don't sound right, bro. I don't know if they mathing, but 14,000 pairs for a pair that quote unquote had a million in stock. Yo, it ain't adding up, man. We gotta talk about it in today's video. What's going on YouTube, man? Thank you guys so much for tapping in to today's video, man. It is always greatly appreciated when you guys pull up, see what your boy DeVintage is talking about. And this is almost like a quick little recap video just to talk about this Jordan 4 military blue drop on the Nike SNKRS app. It was crazy. I know you guys were on the live stream this morning, and I told you I want to, drop this video because there's going to be some people that weren't on the live stream that didn't even hear about the only 15 or 14,000 pairs on Nike SNKRS app. It's going to be a good, engageful video, man. So if you are new here to the channel, right now I need everybody to do, man, hit that subscribe button, hit the notification bell for your boy, and please, bro, make sure you guys hit that like button, man. Let's get this up to 400 likes, bro. It's May the 4th. Let's get it up 400 likes. I know we can do it with you guys' support, man, and we're so close to that 86,000 subscribers, man. So if y'all want to join the vibe, you want to join the channel, you want to be a part of the family, man, make sure you sub up, hit the notification bell so you miss out on any content we drop over here on the channel. All right, man, so here you guys see them, bro. We have them, bro. The Air Jordan 4 military blues. This is the shock drop pair. This is the pair I got off the shock drop, which was a size 9. And you guys know I've been harping that I need a size 9.5. The 9.5 fits so much better for me, especially from the last couple years, the Air Jordan 4 model or the mold or whatever they doing, however they building them up, that 9.5 feels so much better on my feet. So I got a 9, it was cool. But like I said in the review on feet, bro, the 9.5 or that half a size up is definitely what I need. So this morning, like I said, man, I go on the SNKRS app, you know what I'm saying? Well, we go live first. Let's rewind real quick. I go live. I told y'all, man, I'm gonna enter on 2 accounts for, you know what I'm saying, a 9.5. And lo and behold, bro, we was penning for like 20, 25 minutes, bro. And I got a huge L. And I said, bro, hold on. What happened to this whole million pair in stock thing? I know with some pairs and stuff like that that weren't at the stores at like, Foot Locker and Champ Sports because of delayed shipment. But the Nike SNKRS app, they should have all these stock there. They should have everything up in Oregon or everything in Memphis, wherever they are distributing sneaker from. And I went on to Family Vibe Discord, you guys know, and a bunch of other reliable sources. They said that there were only 14,900 pairs loaded on the SNKRS app, bro. That don't even make no sense. You can even add up the shop drop. You can add up the exclusive access. You can't tell me that Nike's only gonna drop 14,000 pairs of a sneaker that they mass produce, quote unquote. They said it's the most produced Air Jordan 4, and it just didn't make any sense. But the only thing that I can kind of say, the only way I can make some sense out of it is if we're getting another, restock very, very soon. Maybe they servers was messed up. Maybe they couldn't put all the shoes onto the SNKRS app in one day. I don't know. But if they do another drop with these military blues on the Nike SNKRS app, like we've seen with the restock on the Bread for Reimagines, then I can kind of see why. But still, bro, even the drop we got for the Bread Reimagines, it was over 100,000 pairs that dropped on the Nike SNKRS app. And then you come with this release, it says the most produced Jordan 4 ever, and you only drop 14,000 pairs on the app, bro. Come on, y'all. Y'all gotta help me out. Help me out here. I'm super confused. I don't know what happened, but just know your boy took two huge L's on these joints because I need a 9.5. I want to double up, and I've been saying it all day, all this week. I've been saying, yo, this shoe right here is going to rise in resale value towards the end of the year. So I still wouldn't pull the trigger too early if you took an L. I think you might can go into your local malls, get a pair for retail, because I've been hearing it flooded in the malls. I'm hearing everybody's getting pairs for retail in the mall. So if you still are hesitant on going up there because you're like, yeah, you're gonna take an L, just go up there, take a leap of faith. You might be able to get a pair for retail in local Hibbett, City Gear, Shoe Palace, Dick's Sporting Goods, stuff like that. Because not all people pick up their, confirmed pairs. Things happen, things come up, and you might get lucky. But as far as Nike SNKRS app, bro, Nike be playing it. I'm telling you, Nike be playing games with us all year long as far as the shock drop of the Bread for Reimagines, as far as the shock drop for these, the release date for these, only 14,000 pairs loaded, it's just so much stuff that Nike, I'll be like scratching my head like, are they serious at this point? Because it don't make any sense. So again, man, let me know down below in the comment section if you were lucky enough to secure a pair of these Jordan 4 Brand Reimagines. I did do a full review and on feed this live on the channel. Shows you guys how to lace them, shows you guys what to rock. Make sure you guys go check out OutRank Brand. Every single drop, OutRank Brand has you guys covered. Put some B-roll up on the video, but you guys see the tee, man. It goes perfect with these military blue 4s, the graphics, the details, all that good stuff is good to go. You guys use my discount code DeVintage to save 10% off. They got clothing for the Travis Scott Jumpman Jacks, of course these military blues, artisanal reds, all types of these past releases. OutRank Brand has you guys covered. I'm gonna link them down below in the description box. You guys go tap in, use that discount code, save some money, get right with your fit on the military blue. But hopefully here soon, man, like I said, I will give you guys more up-to-date information on when a potential restock is gonna happen. If Nike's gonna do some weird, you know, Jordan Reserve with a couple Jordan 4s on there, we shall see what happens. But again, man, 14,000 pairs does not sound right at all for a mass-produced, the most mass-produced sneaker ever on, you know, Nike history. You know what I'm saying? It don't make sense. They drop more Brand Reimagines on the SNKRS app than the military blues, only 14,000 pairs. That's more limited than the Kobe's that they was dropping. You telling me Nike only gonna drop less than the Kobe's that just dropped, bro? It don't make no sense, man. But I cannot ready to read you guys' comments. Thank you guys so much for tapping in. I hope everybody's day went relatively well. Again, man, it's still a great day if you took an L, bro. Here in the near future, I know it's gonna be a restock. I know it's gonna be some way you can get a pair for right around retail. But if you don't get a pair within this month of May, man, I would definitely start, you know, probably just, you know, debating on pulling the trigger now, because the end of the year, price gonna skyrocket, man. But other than that, bro, great day today. Hope y'all have a good day. We got some good, you know, NBA playoffs. We got a dope Canelo fight today versus Mangaya. I think that's how you pronounce his name. So we got a bunch of, you know, a great day. Great day for sports. Great day to be alive, man. So just make sure, even though you took an L, it's still a good thing that you're alive, man. Appreciate all the support. Thank you guys so much for tapping in. Subscribe to the channel if you have not subscribed already. Hit the notification bell for your boy. And please leave a huge like on today's video. I can't wait to read you guys' comments, bro. 14,000 pairs, is it cap? Is it real? Hey, I don't know. I'm waiting to see you guys' comments down below in the comment section, man. I love y'all. Catch you on the next one, man. Peace.